Yo, Charlemagne.
What up, my G?
Envy, what up?
What up, Ray J? What happened, man? What the hell went on?
Are we live?
No. Yes.
We live.
Yeah.
What's poppin'? It's been a minute. Shout out to everyone that's tuned in all around the world. You know I appreciate you. You know I really appreciate your presence. This is just a little video just to update you guys on what I've been on personally.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
So, as you may know, I obviously been working on that I'm a piano mixed with that Somali culture called I'm a Somali. So that's gonna be coming out real soon. I'm just in the process of just tying up knots, giving it a little bit of shape up, you feel me? So be on the lookout for that. Number 2 is that I got a few things on the work as far as a series planned where I'm gonna be sharing gems. And what I mean by gems is all the knowledge I've accumulated throughout my journey as an artist. So be sure to stay locked. The series is going to be called Special Cloth Talk. So that's going to be dropping on a weekly basis. And shortly after I'm a Somali, I'm going to be dropping another project for my hardcore supporters. The ones that have been rocking with me since 2007. And again, this is like a rough video. The investments have been made. It's time to get deep in the bag, you feel me? So stay locked. I want to give a big shout out to my brother AB. He's always been around. He's always been down. Always holding me down, you feel me? Another one, Cryptic Beats. Big shout out to Cryptic Beats, you feel me? Always sending them beats through. Always sending them creative ideas. Me and him are going to be working on a couple more, not even a couple more music, much more music. And be sure to stay locked. You can go subscribe to his YouTube channel. And yeah, like I said, investments have been made, things are in place for things to start unraveling. And it's not just going to be me just talking to you guys like this. It's going to be more music. It's going to be, you know, global takeover pretty much. Slowly, one bite at a time. My mentor always said to me, how do you eat an elephant? And at first when he asked me, I wasn't sure. And I kept thinking, like, how do you eat an elephant? Like, you start with the leg, the body, the head, I don't know. And he said, you start one bite at a time. So we're gonna take things slow, take it easy, you know. I'm gonna get used to some editing. I'm gonna be editing all my stuff. As you already know, I mix and master all my music, write all my music. So this is artistry in its essence. This is genius in its essence. You feel me? And I know for a fact that I've got people that subscribe to me that I used to talk to, and I want to send you love. Even though now you can't come close, I want to send you love from a distance. You feel me? So all you new viewers, if this is your first time hearing of me, ZackX, be sure to stay locked, subscribe, like, comment, and this is just only the beginning. Remember I said that. It's going to be a whole takeover.